Welcome to Compare to Win. The best microfiber cloths is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for anyone who wears glasses, uses a camera, or owns a smartphone, as these delicate surfaces are prone to smudges, dust, and fingerprints that can significantly impair visibility and enjoyment. Therefore, finding the right cleaning cloth is crucial for maintaining the pristine condition of your valuable lenses and screens, ensuring clarity and longevity with every wipe. Number 5. Koala Lens Cleaning Cloth, Japanese Microfiber. Experience unparalleled clarity with our meticulously crafted cleaning cloth. Made from proprietary Japanese fabric, it effortlessly absorbs dirt and oils, leaving your lenses spotless every time. Discover the difference of premium Japanese microfiber. Our ultra-fine, super dense, and lint-free material is engineered for maximum cleaning performance. Safeguard all your optical devices, from camera lenses to AR/VR headsets and screens. It offers unmatched performance on all surfaces, including those with special coatings. Enjoy long-lasting value with our washable and reusable cleaning cloths. They outperform disposable alternatives, reducing waste and keeping your devices clean time after time. Become part of a community that trusts Koala for their precision device care. We are dedicated to providing supercharged, long-lasting performance for your lenses and screens. What we like? Experience unparalleled clarity with this Japanese microfiber cloth. Its ultra-dense weave effortlessly lifts dirt and oils, leaving lenses spotless. If you demand the absolute best for your high-end optics and screens, and are looking for a premium, lint-free solution, this is the one for you. What people say? It really takes off all the grime, even oily greasy residue. These Koala wipes are thicker than most glasses wipes and they are made of a different material. They really get glass sparkling clean. The cloths, while still a bit stiff, clean glasses, including dog licks and children's fingerprints, with incredible efficiency. Number 4. Care Touch Microfiber Eyeglass Cleaning Cloth, 12-pack. Experience a gentle, scratch-free wipe for all your lenses. Achieve a streak-free, crystal-clear view every time. Clean effectively without the need for harsh chemicals. They are ideal for all your delicate screens, including phones and tablets. Each cloth is perfectly sized at 6 by 7 inches. They are ideal for daily use and compact enough to fit anywhere. These cloths are reusable and machine washable. They withstand multiple washes without compromising their quality. Enjoy a perfectly clean finish without any streaks or lint. They are designed to be completely scratch-free. Crafted from 100% microfiber, these cloths offer the best in cleaning performance. They are perfect for glasses, lenses, phones, and screens. What we like? Get a streak-free, crystal-clear view with these large, lint-free cloths. They offer a gentle, scratch-free wipe for all your delicate surfaces. If you need a reliable, everyday cleaning solution for your glasses, phones, and screens that's also conveniently sized, these are a great choice. What people say? These cloths are incredibly soft and leave no streaks or lint behind, making my glasses crystal clear. The size is perfect for keeping in my pocket or purse, and they clean effectively without needing any sprays. I was impressed by how well they removed smudges and fingerprints from my camera lenses as well as my eyeglasses. Number 3. eCloth Microfiber Window Cleaning Cloth Kit. Introducing the eCloth Microfiber Window Cleaning Cloth Kit. Achieve a streak-free shine on all your glass surfaces with ease. This innovative cleaning cloth is designed to leave your windows, mirrors, and even car glass perfectly clear. Say goodbye to smudges and streaks. From household windows to eyeglasses and car lenses, it handles it all. Its microfiber technology ensures a deep, effective clean on various surfaces. Not only does it provide an exceptional clean, but it's also reusable and machine washable. This makes it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice for your cleaning needs. The Alaskan blue cloth is gentle on surfaces but tough on dirt and grime. Experience a new level of clean with this versatile cleaning tool. Elevate your cleaning routine with this essential kit. It's the perfect solution for maintaining clarity and brilliance on all your glass items. What we like? Achieve a streak-free clean on a variety of surfaces with this durable cloth. It's designed for effective glass cleaning and is machine washable for easy reuse. If you're looking for a versatile, long-lasting cloth for windows, mirrors, and eyeglasses that's easy to maintain, this is an excellent option. What people say. These cloths are incredibly soft and don't leave any lint behind, which is perfect for my camera lenses. I've used these on my eyeglasses, phone screen, and even my TV, and they clean effectively without streaks. The size is just right, not too big to be cumbersome, but large enough to clean my glasses in one swipe. Number 2. MagicFiber Extra Large Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Introducing our premium cleaning cloths, designed to leave your screens and surfaces spotless. They effortlessly remove dust, smudges, and fingerprints without leaving any scratches or lint behind. Crafted from extremely high-quality, soft microfiber, these cloths are safe for all your delicate surfaces. From TV screens and glasses to camera lenses and monitors, they handle it all with care. Each cloth comes individually protected in its own poly bag. This ensures they remain pristine and ready to use whenever you need a perfect clean. Our oversized cloths measure 16 inches by 16 inches, providing ample space for cleaning larger surfaces and devices. They are the perfect size for TVs, tablets, and more, with a smaller one included for smaller tasks. These make fantastic stocking stuffers or gifts for anyone. They are ideal for anyone who owns a tablet, camera, TV, or smartphone, offering a practical and appreciated present. Experience a streak-free shine on all your electronics and glass surfaces. These cloths are designed to absorb and remove smudges effectively, leaving nothing but clarity. What we like. Enjoy superior cleaning with these extra-large, premium microfiber cloths. They effectively remove smudges and dust without scratches or lint, and come individually protected. If you frequently clean larger surfaces like screens and windows, or want a high-quality cloth ready to use anytime, these are perfect. What people say. These cloths are incredibly soft and leave no streaks or lint behind, making my glasses crystal clear. The size of these cloths is perfect for keeping in my pocket or purse, and they clean effectively without any smudging. I was impressed by how well these cloths removed fingerprints and smudges from my camera lenses as well as my eyeglasses. Number 1. MagicFiber Glasses Cleaner Kit. Tired of smudges and streaks ruining your view? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep all your lenses perfectly clean. Experience unparalleled clarity with every use. Our advanced formula effortlessly cuts through grease and grime. It's designed to provide a streak-free shine on all your delicate surfaces. Get a deep clean without any residue. Included are ultra-soft microfiber cloths that won't scratch your lenses. They are perfect for gently wiping away dust and fingerprints. Keep your eyewear and screens pristine. This kit isn't just for eyeglasses, it's your all-in-one cleaning solution. Use it on your phone, camera, computer screens, and more. It's designed for all your electronic devices. The compact spray bottles are perfect for on-the-go cleaning. Simply spray and wipe for instant results. Maintaining your devices has never been easier. Get the complete package for maintaining the clarity of your vision and devices. This kit provides everything you need for a spotless finish. Invest in clear sight and protected screens. What we like. This kit provides an all-in-one solution for keeping your optics pristine. It includes both a cleaning spray and microfiber cloths for a complete clean. If you're looking for a convenient, portable solution to tackle smudges and dirt on glasses, screens, and lenses wherever you go, this kit is ideal. What people say. These cloths are incredibly soft and gentle on my lenses, leaving no scratches. The size is perfect for slipping into my pocket or glasses case, making them convenient for on-the-go cleaning. They effectively remove fingerprints and smudges without leaving any streaks or lint behind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.